This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Christina Grosu. Wow! This two-story single-family house located in popular Brightwalk subdivisions features an inviting front porch, large and open floor plan with hardwoods throughout the entire house, stainless steel upgraded kitchen appliances, granite countertops, breakfast island, large pantry, studio or office space, skyline views from master bedroom west/upgraded bathroom and custom closet. 2 guest bedrooms west/custom closets that share an updated bathroom. The backyard features an amazing screened-in porch with an outdoor TV mount, a grilling patio area, a fire pit for entering guests, and a sidewalk that leads to a 2-car detached garage. Great single-family home and community for single, roommates, or multifamily. The house is located within the award-winning Brightwalk community. Located a mile from Uptown Charlotte, Charlotte Music Factory, a 10-minute walk to the upcoming 100 acres Camp North End Innovation Corridor campus, local breweries, coffee shops, coworking spaces, and restaurants. For more information,